We're entitled to a trial by a jury of our peers, of course, but there is a trend some lawyers are watching where the defendant might be a corporation and the power of a jury seems to be shrinking. We decided it would be a good idea to have attorney Warren Mendenhall as a guest to tell us exactly what's going on. Warren, welcome back again. And are people losing faith in the jury system?
Well, there's a couple of things that are going on right now, and obviously the state of Ohio has had tort reform in place, which limits the power of a jury to award damages. I think there is some question as to whether that's constitutional or not under our Ohio Constitution, and I think that will be tested. But I think corporations are very concerned about the power of juries, because juries essentially, through large awards, have the power to end a corporate life in a civil trial. And sometimes that might be warranted. If a corporation poisons a community or kills somebody, you know, I think personally that a jury should have the ability and the power to end that corporation's existence.
And a lot of people, though, you say, I think you would agree, don't really understand the power or the authority that you have as being on a jury.
Well, 95% of all jury trials in the world occur in the United States, and I don't think people realize that this was something that our founders fought for incredibly hard. They were very concerned about the power of the king to both enact law, be the judge, jury, and executioner, frankly, and they felt it would be more fair to have a jury of one's peers make those kinds of decisions.
Now, when viewers at home see that Warner's on the show, they know that you know everything about the law.
Well, no, I can't say that.
Isn't that what you told me?
No.
But jury, no, you're very humble, but juries make mistakes. They're only human, and sometimes when they do make mistakes, people say, oh my gosh, how could that happen? It would be like any of us being on a jury, so that there is a margin of error that can be expected.
Certainly juries do make mistakes, and you know I was part of a case, the Clarence Elkins case, where a man served 7 years in prison for a murder he did not commit. And in that case, DNA testing helped to exonerate him and get his freedom. And I do think that, especially with some of the technological things like DNA testing that we have available, that should be provided to anyone where there's DNA evidence at a crime scene. That was so important in the Clarence Elkins case.
That was groundbreaking. Groundbreaking evidence, and the developments were used in many other cases.
Well, the Innocence Project has been, you know, pushing that throughout the country, and they've done incredible work.
Well, this is the important information we want to give the viewers. If you want to contact Warner's office by calling this number, you can, 330-535-9160, or check out the WarnerMendenhall.com site. We also have a link on NewsNet5.com for you to contact information if you need to. Warner, thank you for joining us. You do have all the answers. Don't be so humble. Thank you.
I do the best I can.
You do a great job. Thank you very much. We're going to go over to Danita now with our next guest.
Thank you, Jack. It's time to get glammed up for those holiday parties, and